Alright, so this is really cool wireless keypad that you can actually connect it to your MacBook or any laptop at all with Bluetooth, which is, every single laptop now has Bluetooth connection. You can see it's small. It has an angle that when you place your finger or your hands on top, it's really comfortable. The on and off switch back here, so to turn it on, you're gonna see that it flashes once, and then you have to hold down the Bluetooth button for the Bluetooth actually turn on, and it's blinking like that. Now you can see it right here. It is BT 5.0. That's what it calls. So let's type something in there. You can see it actually works. There you go. Pretty simple. Even has a backspace. Wonderful.